something. It really would be something. That would be something. Meet you in pouring rain, mama. Meet you in pouring rain. Da 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 da. Meet you in the pouring rain, mama. Meet you in the pouring rain. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Horace Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little ditty one. Short and sweet lesson, this one. Classic song from Paul McCartney called That Would Be Something, from his album McCartney from about 1970, I think this was. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret, so we can play it in the same key as the original recordings. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully try and break down for you what I was hopefully playing in that little playthrough. So what I did for the playthrough was an intro, a verse and a chorus, and then basically the song just repeats more of the same. Okay, verse and chorus wise after that, with different words on the verse. Okay, so starting off, I'm playing a basic E chord, standard E chord, okay, shape, and I'm using finger picking mainly on this song, using my thumb and my first finger. Now, if you're a finger picker, you can obviously probably use more fingers, but my finger picking is really basic. So the first bit is you fret the E chord and you play the bottom E string with your thumb and the second string, the B string, with your finger. Just pluck both strings together. Then you put your pinky on the second fret of the third string from the capo to make an E sus4. Okay, and the way I play it is I play the bottom E string open with that second fret of the third string together. So you've got, okay, as soon as you've plucked that, the sus4, you pull off the pinky to that first finger on the first fret. So you got, okay, then you put the pinky back to make the sus4 again, and you repeat. You pluck the bottom E string with the third string and pull it off, so you got, alright, and you finish off by playing that single fourth string on the fourth string second fret. So you go, alright, as soon as you've hit that second on the fourth, just release the pressure on the string to kill it. It's very sort of stops, like dead. Okay, so, and you just repeat the whole thing again. Okay, then we come to this bit. What that is, it's a lazy A chord slid up. So you bar with your first finger the first fret of the fourth, third and second strings, and it starts off with an open A string, the fifth string with your thumb, and the second string with your first finger, and you pluck those two together and then slide the bar up to the second fret. Alright? Then what I do is I go, so I sort of slide that up, then I hit the fourth string, and then the third string, and then I play that third string again. So it's like 4 to 3, and then a very small pause, and then the third string again. And then what you do is you hit that bottom E string, third fret, second finger, I play, and bend it. So you got E7 chord, so like the E chord but without the third finger. It's very important that you play an E7 there, and just a nice strum with your fingernail or your thumb, whatever, all 6 strings, like that. So far we've got this. Okay, and then you repeat the slidey A bit, so you do that twice. So, the whole thing so far, slowly. You can do a little bit more if you like on the fingers on that A chord. That's what I generally do there. So. Okay. So you do that twice, the slidey A bit, and then just on the intro section, I don't think he does anywhere else on the song, he does this sort of that bit. So what's that is, it's the E chord but just the second fret on the 5th string with your second finger, 1st fret on the 3rd string, so it's like an E7 chord again, and you hit 5 downwards and slide it up to the 5th fret. This is on the 5th fret from the capo, okay, and this one's on the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, so it's keep the shape and the same strings, but you slide it up to there, okay, so it's, and I just do that. Or you could do more slides in it if you want, so you could go, do what you like with it. I just tend to go at the once and go with my fingernail, okay. So far then, that's the whole intro, okay. So you got slowly, just gonna do that right, get it wrong. Let's try that again. And then we start this whole thing again with words, okay? That would be something. Now, the only thing different in the song itself, after you've done there's a minute pause, and then you play the top string open on its own. Okay, so it's. Okay, so it's. That would be something. It really would be something. That would be something. And then do the A slidey bit again. Meet you in the falling rain. Meet you in the falling rain. And it goes into another verse and another, you know, does it, hums it for a while. Da, 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 sorry. Da, 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 da. Meet you in the falling rain, meet you in the falling rain. And it does more verses and more choruses. So that's it, boys and girls. Practice makes perfect. So there we have it. Hopefully that made sense to you, and you'll have fun trying to work that one out. So see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.